Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are all welcome. If you are new here, you are welcome. This is where we do lovely delicious recipes from around the world. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming. As you can see, look at how delicious this chicken is. We are doing Korean fried chicken. It is so delicious, guys. You have to come along with me and let's do this. Right guys, so to start, I have my chicken thighs. I'm using chicken thighs. I've cut them into small pieces so that it will cook quicker. Okay, it's my preference. You can use any part of the chicken of your choice. I'm adding some grated garlic and ginger and some salt and some black pepper. That's all. I'm just using that to marinate it nicely. So guys, I'm using corn flour. Okay, I have some corn flour and I'm adding a bit of baking powder. Okay, so I'm adding a bit. I'll put all the measurement down below in the description box. Okay, yeah, this will make it so light and crispy. I tell you, you are going to love this. Right guys, let's make some sauce for the chicken. Okay, this is what makes it Korean. I'm using this Gochujang, which is a Korean hot red pepper paste. It's so delicious. It's lovely, guys. You have to try it, and you can get this in any supermarket in the UK or any oriental shop. Okay, so I add this to the bowl and I'm going to add some dark soy sauce. Okay, dark soy sauce, and also I'm adding some rice wine as well, and also I'm adding some honey. Okay, I'll put all of them down below in the description box. Right guys, to give it more flavor, okay, I'm going to add some mustard. I don't have the mustard paste, but I have the powder, so I add a bit of mustard. Okay, and just to give it, but this is optional. So guys, just listen to how crispy this chicken is. It's so crispy and is delicious. So guys, we are making our sauce. I add some chopped garlic and some chilies, okay, to some oil, and then we try and cook it a little bit before we add our sauce that we made. So it's so easy, as you can see. So guys, as you can see, our Korean fried chicken is done. I'm adding some sesame seeds on top. It's so delicious, it's sweet, and it's spicy. I tell you, you have to try this recipe. So if you like this recipe, just give me a thumbs up, okay? And please subscribe to my channel. And do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. And please don't forget to share this recipe. It's so good.